Traditional white rice, we start with a pot. We add 2 cups of water to 1 cup of rice, universal rice ratio. We also gonna add a half a teaspoon of salt. If you like it saltier, add more. I believe that is the basic one. Put it on high heat. As soon as it boils, add your rice. Make sure that there is no impurities in the rice, any little pebbles or anything like that. Just add your rice in there and the magic will happen. As soon as the rice hit the water, make sure you stir. If you don't stir at this point, the rice will become sticky at the bottom and it's not going to be a good thing. We want sticky rice, but not in this recipe. Let it bring slowly to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, lower the heat to medium heat. And now here's where the magic happens. It's going to evaporate and evaporate and evaporate. And it's going to just come to a special stage, which is going to look like this. Once the water completely recedes, you're going to put a lid on, turn off the burner, and let it sit. For how long? The magic number is 10 minutes. So get your favorite timer out and get that thing going for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, another magic is going to happen. Remove the lid. It's off. Remember, add a tablespoon of your favorite fat. I'm going to add avocado oil. It's the favorite right now. Stir to combine. This is going to give a shine to the rice, and it's also going to coat the rice kernels. That way, they're not going to absorb any more water. People will fight for this, but it's okay. Once is all stirred up, put on a pot, and it's ready to be consumed. Avocado oil is neutral, doesn't have any flavor. You can also use olive oil, you can use coconut oil, clarified butter. The fat of your choice is yours. Thank you very much. Leave a like.